we are getting ready to pour. Charles is with us. There's Charles, and we got Tim. It's not very much. I think it's at 12.5 yards, but I'm gonna show you what we got going on real quick. Some details in the slab. So this slab is only 22 by 32. We got trusses over there. We got our tie down straps placed right here, so when we pour the concrete, these are in the concrete, and these hold down the garage door openings. We got garage door over there. We got big garage door here. 2 foot on center rebar, plastic. We gotta fix it right here. The wind the last few days. Back here, this is actually going to be a concrete storm shelter with a bathroom inside. We got toilet, sink, shower right there, and we dug this out for thicker footings. And then there's one of our forms, our concrete forms for that bathroom is right there. Alright guys, we just got done finishing this slab. As you can tell, we got the truck lights on and it's dark, but we got that thing shining pretty good. And tonight's going to be 26 degrees in the next couple nights, so we are putting down real quick before we head home insulation blankets so this concrete stays nice and warm. This concrete turned out pretty good. Can't see me. There we go. We started at 8 o'clock and we put 1% calcium in it, and it did pretty good. The wind helped us, the sun came out, but when that temperature dropped and stuff and the sun went away, it just came to a halt, and it's about 6 o'clock right now. So we're gonna insulate this thing real quick and head home, and hopefully in a few days I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's nice and sunny and get the insulation off next weekend. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment.